All right, welcome. And today I'm going to show you how to use Notebook LM for research and study purposes. First and foremost, if you don't have the link, you want to go to notebooklm.google.com. This is a phenomenal tool for research. We are going to create a new notebook. Now, as we do so, this window is going to pop up and we can choose any upload sources that we want. If you have PDFs, if you have text, markdown, audios, notes, or anything else that you want to upload that is on your computer, you can go ahead and upload them directly from here. You can also paste text in here directly if you like, or we can link to Google Drive and we can pull in documents or slides. Now, one of the other things that is massively beneficial is if we have an authority-based website that we want to link in as well, we can just simply click on website and we can paste in the URL of the website so that it can be used as a resource. Now, the other thing that I want to mention, which I just clicked out of, is YouTube. If there are authority-based YouTube channels that you would like to do in your research, all you need to do is click on this, and similar to the website, we can paste in the URL of the YouTube video. Now, most notably, we can upload a lot of sources. In this case, right now, up to 50 sources, which can help pull in a lot of different content pieces to round out our research and study document. Now, we can also, from here, I'm just going to choose an example. This document right here, which is a Google document. You'll see that as you add in your source, it will label it as a PDF over here. We can remove it or rename it if that is an unfamiliar file name. We can continue adding sources, which will pull us back to that screen, and we can add up to 50. In here right away, you'll start to get, through the source, a general overview of what the contents are. We can absolutely add notes to this. We can also click here and get an audio overview of what is included in this document source. And we can also create what's called a briefing document. Similar, but we can also create a study guide here as well. And what it'll essentially do is give us a great summary of this individual source. And we can do that as we click through each of these. We can chat with this document, in particular if we have questions about that. We can type that in here and Google will actually communicate with this document for us to provide the information that we are looking for. On this side over here, there is another very cool option, especially for times, for example, you are a great audio learner. You can create a podcast, essentially, of the content that is in these sources. So what it'll essentially do is to create two people talking back and forth in a very entertaining and pleasant dialogue to help you study and gain insights over the information inside of here. You can customize this. You can ask it to focus on specific sources. For example, maybe perhaps one of the PDFs, or a specific topic within those sources, or targeting a specific audience. For example, saying, I'm completely new to this source, speak to me as a complete beginner. Or I'm advanced, get to the more advanced components. So we have a lot of different options here for creating study guides and so forth. And it is a fabulous tool to create research, in particular containing the AI to the inputs that we put in, rather than having it pull information from random sources or generating hallucinations, which we absolutely do not want, because it will create misinformation in our study process. So hope this is helpful. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Any input would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.